What's up, guys? I'm here again. Still up here from what we just did on our last short, but it is pretty, bro. Like, you have all that, have our nice looking Ranger Polaris 1000 XP, bro. Dog box on my back, ready for bear hunting. And look at the nature, bro. It's nice. I'm gonna come out here and just sit more. Then over here you have it, mountains out there. It's better if I were to walk down here. Let's walk right down here. There we go. That's what it's all about. It's cool. I've seen a fox run up here actually before, like a year ago. But it's pretty enjoyable out here, guys. So collab with me if y'all have anything cool like this, like out in the nature. So peace, guys.